Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I've got for you an absolute banger by Rod Stewart and the Faces. I've had a request for this one. This is a thing called Maggie May, a big hit from way back in 1971. So if this is what you're all about, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, Maggie May, let's get into it. First off, the intro. So the chords we're going to need are D, E minor, G, back to D. And the way we pick this is we're going to go open D chord, D string, while we're holding a D chord. So we're going to go in between each thing we play, we're going to go down, up, up as a strum. Then we're going to go 4th fret on the D string, and then down to an E minor chord and pick the D string again. So let's put that all together. So we've got D chord, open D string, and then we got the D string again, staying in the E minor chord. Then we're going to move to a G chord and play the G string open. So we're going to go. Got it? So far we've got open D in a D chord, and then 4th fret to E minor, but 2 picks on the D string. Then we're going to pick the D string again, staying in E minor. Then move to the G chord and play the G string. So we've got. And then we go. So that's sliding down from the 4th to the 2nd. And then play the D string open and then come down on a D chord. Let's bring you up this point. So we've up to this point. So we've got open D. So and then we've got a little hammer on with our first finger. So strike the A string. So we're in a D chord. We lift our first finger off, and we strike the A string, and with our first finger we just hammer down onto the 2nd fret of the A string. Got it? And then we start the process again. Pluck the D string. Got it? Right, one more time for you. So D chord. We're going to play the D string open. E minor, D string, and then G string, and change to the G chord. And then slide down from 4 to 2, 4th fret to the 2nd fret of our 3rd finger, and then D string open back to D. Take the first finger off, strike the A string, and then hammer on to the 2nd fret, and then repeat process. Right, okay, so we've got that bit, and then we need the bam bam bit that starts the song off. So the way we do that is hold down strings. So basically we're half making an E minor, so we're going to hold down strings at 2nd fret, strings 5 and 4, and we're going to strike them all together. And what I want you to do, I want you to strike that once like that, and then I want you to hold down the E string as well now, and we're going to strike down the 6th and the 5th string, the E and the A string. So we've got, and then we're going to go down to an A chord. So, okay. Right, chords for the actual song go like this. So the strum pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And I'm going to call the chords out for you. So first off, we've got A, G, and then 2 bars of D. So we've got A, G, D, A, G, D, D. Okay, next along we've got G, D, G, A, right? G, then D, G, then A. This is where it gets a little bit different. We've got an E minor, a bar chord's thrown in here. So we've got an E minor, F sharp minor, and then 2 bars of E minor again. So we've got E minor, this is the old Maggie, I couldn't have tried anymore. It says. Now it gets really simple. We've got E minor A, E minor A, E minor A, D, D. To the A, E minor, A, E minor, A, D. And that is the song, except for the chords that are played over the guitar solo. So let's go through that again. If you want to make notes of this, it goes like this. We're going to go A to G to the D to the D. Then we got that again. G. So we've got that section twice. A, G, D, D, A, G, D, D. Then we've got G, D, G, A. Now it gets dark. So we've got that, oh Maggie, I couldn't have tried anymore. We've got the E minor to the F sharp minor. Now I don't know if you're good at bar chords or if you've come across this chord before, but it's 2nd fret. I'll hold it up to the camera. 2nd fret, we're going to bar all 6 strings, and then with our 3rd and 4th fingers, we're going to play on the A and the D string on the 4th fret. So there we go. So E minor and F sharp minor, and then to E minor, and then it's E minor A, E minor A, E minor A, D, D. E minor to the A, and again, finishing up with a D, D. Guitar solo is played over E minor to the A, D, G, E minor, G, D, D. So there we have it, Rod Stewart and the Faces, Maggie May. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below. Always great to hear from you. And if you've liked today's video, please can you do me a big favour and click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me to grow the channel, and I'm always so very grateful. You guys are fantastic. A big thanks to those of you who have done that for me already. I will see you in the next video. Take great care of yourselves. Until we meet again, look after yourself. Bye bye.